Well, hello there, everyone. Today I'm going to be opening this flashlight, personal everyday carry flashlight by 511, and it's pretty cool. This is my second one because, to be honest, the other one I had, the hinge on the battery door broke, so I'm going to be opening this one up for everyone to check it out. So let's get to it. This light is very small. It's about the size of a lighter. And honestly, it's been one of my favorite flashlights for about a month and a half. Like I said, I had it before and the battery door broke. And to be honest with you, that's the only thing that worries me about this. But we'll see if actually the battery door is better on this one. It looks a little bit more robust, but let's see what we got here. This is how you take the battery lid off. I'll open the batteries here. Comes with 2 Duracells, which is really cool. Man, these blister packs are just crazy. No one's definitely going to be opening this in the store and lifting it with a pack like this. It's just crazy to get into. As you know, 511 makes great tactical accessories and supplies and clothing and shoes and stuff like that, belts. They're a really cool company. I have a bunch of stuff from them. Just patches, you know, goofy patches. I have a pair of shoes from them. They last really long. Just a lot of cool accessories, you know, especially backpacks and military style packs and duffel bags, stuff like that. This particular flashlight uses a Cree XPG3 LED. Super bright, even if the reflector is really small like that, you know. With 2 3.7 volt batteries, I'll tell you what, this thing is really bright. I hope the hinge holds on it this time. But I tell you, it's super portable. You put it in your pocket, and it'll become one of your favorite lights. I'll be honest. To turn it on, the switch is up front here, so it's almost like a trigger. Let me put the batteries in correctly. That would help. Okay. There it is. Boom. Very, very bright flashlight. I bring this to gigs so I can see in the dark around the stage. After we're done, I can check if there's anything we've left. It's great for going outside and, you know, just finding out where the cats are hiding, that kind of thing. It's a cool little light, man. Up until now, this was my little pocket flashlight, a 1 AAA Cree. I'm not even sure what the battery was. No, it doesn't have a battery in it. But I'll tell you what, this light is really cool. I just hope the hinge holds on it. That's the only thing that I'm worried about. But otherwise, man, what a great, great light. And if you register online, it's covered under warranty for 5 years. So I did that. And if this hinge ever breaks again, because this is plastic, it's a plastic battery cover. Hopefully it'll last this time. But I love this light. It's one of my favorite carry lights. It has a nice even, just a soft flood. It's not focusable, but really for something like this, then all you want to do is is look around and find things you've dropped in the dark. This is perfect. It really is. Nice clip here. A lanyard holder. It just feels solid. It's rubberized. It's a rubberized body. So there you go, guys. The 511 EDC 2 AAA everyday carry light, 127 lumens. When I had mine for a month and a half that this replaced, I had the same batteries in it for a month and a half, and I used it almost every other night. So that goes to show you how efficient the LED is in this. It really was really good with battery life. So battery would still be strong in it right now had I not traded it in to get a new one. The 511 EDC 2 AAA, guys. I recommend it, and I just hope the battery door lasts for you. I'm gonna give this one a go for the next few months and see if it holds up. All right, I'll post a follow-up. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it.